All right, Kino Strategy 2024. Use your lucky Kino numbers with our AI Kino numbers and win more often. Watch the end of this video for the best AI Kino numbers. Subscribe for more free AI Kino strategies. Let's go to see the first example.
Okay, this video was in progress and it hit a 5 out of 6. Very cool. Write these Kino numbers down. Yes, the strategy is the AI Kino numbers came from Microsoft Copilot in 2022. As you can see, they remain consistent in 2024. Okay, new strategy. Let's change the Kino machine algorithm with a Kino 4-spot. All right, let's go see.
Kino Strategy. While playing Kino, change Kino numbers every now and again. This drives the Kino machine crazy. We use this next 4-spot to help change the Kino machine algorithm. Subscribe for more free Kino numbers. Okay, let's see how this Kino strategy works out.
Okay, this video was in progress and the A card hit a 4 out of 4. Very cool. Don't miss out. Capture these Kino numbers for your next casino visit. The strategy is, if you play a lot of 5 and 7-spot Kino, try this 4-spot and change the Kino machine algorithm. Okay, next up. Do you play consecutive Kino numbers? Watch our version next.
Yes, consecutive Kino numbers are simple. We use the upper left of the Kino card with this 10-spot and change the Kino machine algorithm to win at Kino Subscribe for more AI Kino strategies. Yes, our version of consecutive Kino numbers. Let's go on to see how we did.
Okay, another video in progress, and the A card hit 7 out of 10. Very cool. Don't miss out. Capture these Kino numbers for your next casino visit. Strategy. Playing AI Kino numbers with your lucky Kino numbers is a 2024 AI Kino strategy. Be sure and leave a comment below when you hit your jackpot. Beginners.
Yes, beginners watch another video. These 2 videos will have more free Kino numbers, also free AI strategies with current AI Kino tips and tricks. Thank you and good luck.